Hello everyone. Today, I'll show you how to share an Instagram reel directly via Snapchat message in just 2 steps. An interesting feature that bridges these two apps. Open the Instagram app. Then find a reel and open it. You can, of course, also choose your own reel. Next, click on the paper plane icon for sharing. You can do this even when viewing the reel in full screen. At the bottom, among the options, find Snapchat. Click on it. The Snapchat app will open with your contacts. Select your Snapchat contacts and send them the reel as you normally would. After this, go to your Snapchat messages and open the chat with the contact you sent the reel to. Here's my message. The recipient can click on it to open the reel directly in the Instagram app or on the Instagram website. The link will take them straight to the reel, making it easy to view and engage with the content. They can like, comment, or even share the reel directly from Instagram. This is a great way to share fun or meaningful content across platforms seamlessly. And that's it. Pretty cool, right? Like the video and subscribe for more similar tutorials.